So hi guys, let's quickly design this using the PixelLab. So first of all, let me just stop the minimization and then enter my PixelLab again. So we are going to use a size 853 for the width, and then for the height, let me just leave it at that. So this is the canvas that we are going to use. So I will delete this, and then I will go to my color here. I already did a gradient color, so I will just leave a link on the description menu so that you can learn how to use this gradient color. So I'll go to shape and then create a kind of shape here. Yeah. So let me just leave it around this axis. And then for this one, I want it to be a kind of pink. Yep. Let me just leave it to be this. Let me repeat it with this. Yeah. So now let me go to my gallery and then import some of the things that I'm working with. So this is a cake icon. Let me just leave it as the logo here. Yeah, I will make use of it as the logo. So let me go to show color filter and then kind of, sorry, let me just increase the saturation a little bit. Yeah, this is good. So let me just reduce the size. Yeah, this is much better. Let me centralize it. So I will go to text and then write test the traits. So I'll just leave it like this and then go here and just go to font and use this battery font. So I'll go to color. I'll use this font, this color, which is the pink. Let me increase the padding a little bit and then increase the size of the font. Yep. So this is much better. So let me just centralize it. Move this thing a little bit. And then let me go to here and then write cakes. And let me use the an icon. Nice storage. Leave it here. And then let me go to fonts. So I'm using this font here. I'm using this font. For this, I will make use of black, then increase the size. Centralize it. Yeah. So I'll copy this and I write our services. Our services are. So for this, I'll make use of white, and then I will go to this and then turn it to black, increase the padding. Let me make this padding to be 17, also this to be 17. Yep, and then let me increase the radius. This is good. So I'll just increase the size and then centralize it. Yes, this is much better. I'll go to fonts here, sorry, text, and then I have already copied all the services. I'll paste it. Then yeah, let me change the fonts. Let me change the color to black and then change the font to Nota Regular. So I'll just leave it like this and centralize it. I think this is good. So I'll go to my gallery and then import the shape. I've already created a shape that I will be using, which is this. I will leave the shape on the description link so that you can actually download it directly and use it. Just work on the alignment. Yeah. So I'll copy this and then I'll reduce the size Although let me just do a kind of thing here. Fix this up and then mesh the two. Since I imported the shape, I don't want it to be that kind of space up. So that is why I mesh the two and then, work on that. So I'll reduce the size of this and fix it right here. Reduce the size again. And I'll copy this again and then fix it right here. Yeah. Copy this, fix it here. Copy this again and fix it right here. Centralize them, and then increase the size of this so that it can this is much better. So now what will happen is I will go to here and then I need a shape. Just create a simple shape here. Right. This is fine. So let me just go to, if I will just write this slogan, which is test. So I'll just kind of make this one to be white and then go to phones and then use this battery. So here we go with this. So I will go to text again and I write the phone number, which is 234, and open bracket 0. So I will texture this. I will go to texture and then go and select the one that I need. So I want to texture with this. So what will happen is I will just pick a kind of shape that is approximately the shape that I'm working with, which is this 3x5 is looking like. Yeah, you can see the little thing is just to scale it up. Yeah, and then I will go to stroke and then stroke it with this. Increase the stroke to like 4, and then I will go and texture the next one. I will go and select something similar. Yep, select something similar, 3x4. Yep, I will go to stroke and stroke it with a nice color and use this. 4. Yeah, I will go to the next one So I'll do it for all because of time. I will just do it for all. Yeah. So here we go with this. I think we can now save our work and then go to PixArt. Let me just increase this. Increase the padding of the top padding and then the. Yeah. So we can save our work here. Save it as Ultra. So after saving it, you can go to your PixArt. So here we go. I will click on the plus icon here. It will direct me to my gallery where I will see the top one here, the one that I just did. Yeah, let me just upload it. Yeah, here is it. So I will go to Add Photo here, and then I will now go to pick the thing that I want to. Yeah, here is it. Pick it and then press on Add. So here's it. I will just enlarge this and then reduce the opacity to a lesser opacity. So let me go to blend, and then I will do multiply it a little bit. Yeah, it's looking fine this way, but let me just decrease the opacity. Let me leave it at 5. So if you look at the opacity is under each and every thing. So in order for me to clean up the ones that are showing on the pictures and then the writings, I will just click on the eraser here. I will click eraser. Yeah, click it again. So I will just tap it a little bit so that I can click each and every thing that is showing on the picture or the writings. Yeah. So I will just clean it, touch it so that it can be clean. Yeah. So you can actually see it's cleaning up. So you can see the writings now are bold enough, and then even the pictures are bold. So they are clear now. I'll go and then click on good icon. Now I can save my work. I don't want much editing here. So I will go to Snapseed. Yeah. I will click on the plus icon and then I will import the one that I just did on PixArt. I will go to here, pop, click on it. So you actually see the effect. Now I will go to tools and then reduce the temperature. Yeah, I will go to things and then increase a little bit. So I will go to details and the structure should be a little bit clear. So I will go to sharpening and then increase the sharpness. Yeah, I can actually export my work now. So here is just how to design Catering using PixelLab, PixArt, and then Snapseed. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to learn much about how to design using your smartphone. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial.